Fun facts about tigers. Tigers are the largest wild cats in the world. Tigers are carnivores, eating only meat. They mainly feed on large mammals such as deer, wild pigs, antelope and buffalo. Tigers are solitary hunters and generally search for food alone at night. They quietly stalk their prey until they are close enough to pounce, then they kill their victim with a bite to the neck or back of the head. Ouch! Tigers are good swimmers. Unlike most members of the cat family, they like water and often cool off in pools or streams. A tiger's roar can be heard as far as 3 kilometers away. A tiger's roar can be heard over 2 miles through a forest. At full speed, tigers can reach up to 65 km per hour. That's right, they may be big and heavy, but tigers are by no means slow movers. A group of tigers is called a streak or an ambush. Fossil remains of tigers found in parts of China are believed to be 2 million years old. Yikes! No two tigers have the same stripes, since every tiger has their own pattern on their fur. They are all unique. Tigers have over 100 stripes, which helps the tiger blend in with long grass. Like fingerprints, no two tigers have the same pattern. Today, there are 5 subspecies of tiger. These subspecies are the Bengal tiger, South China tiger, Indo-Chinese tiger, Sumatran tiger and Siberian tiger. Sadly, 3 subspecies of tiger have become extinct, the Caspian, Bali and Javan. The Siberian tiger is the biggest of all tigers. Less than 100 years ago, tigers could be found throughout Asia. Sadly, today their range has been reduced to around 7% of its former size. That's why we need to do all we can to protect the tigers. The tiger is the national animal of both India and Bangladesh. The Bengal or Indian tiger is the best known of all tigers. Shere Khan in the movie The Jungle Book is a Bengal tiger. There are almost as many tigers living in zoos and wildlife parks as there are in the wild. A tiger spends about 18 hours a day sleeping. Tigers, like all cats, cannot taste anything sweet. Unlike lions, who will fight to the death over a kill, tigers often share meals and take turns eating. It takes a lot of support from viewers like you to keep making quality content. Please support us by leaving relevant comments. Please leave a comment on our channel videos and let us know your suggestions for our next video. Subscribe to this channel to see more of similar content. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again next time in another one of our awesome video. Thanks again for subscribing to our channel.